Right now, you're probably sitting down to watch this video. For the next 2 minutes, it's okay. But hey, an average person spends almost 8 hours each day sitting. But our bodies are just not built to be still. We're built to move. Hi, I'm Justine. We are industrial designers and the team behind LEVIT8. Like many of you, our job involves a lot of time on our laptops. We thought about buying a standing desk, but they were too expensive and mostly stationary. We wanted something that's as portable as our laptops, something quick and easy. So say goodbye to the bulk and the clunk. This is LEVIT8. Simply open, cross, twist, and reset. It's slimmer and half the weight of a MacBook Air. It all started with this piece of paper. We prototyped with many materials in search of the best and found this amazing acrylic canvas that was extremely tough and water repellent. Inspired by the level of craftsmanship, durability, and timelessness of the book binding technique, we sought help from traditional book binding experts and crafted the first LEVIT8. Don't worry, it bears more than 20 times its own weight and is stain-proof. Levitate your laptop anytime, anywhere. So this is where you come in. In order for us to make them in larger quantities and to get them to your doorstep, we need your support. With more funding, not only can you get them in your favorite colors, you will also be helping us develop LEVIT8 even further. So we can't wait for you to be part of this story. So join us in our move towards a healthier and more fun way of working.